Sir, today I want to talk about something.
Yes, of course. Tell me, what happened?
Sir, whenever I speak English, people laugh at me. They look at each other and smile. I feel very bad. I feel like maybe I am not good. My English is weak.
I understand you feel sad because people laugh when you speak English. But listen, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. English is not easy, and learning takes time.
But, sir, they speak so fast. I don't understand them. When I try to speak, I say the wrong words. My friends laugh and I feel nervous.
It's completely fine. You are not alone. Many students feel exactly like you. You only need practice and confidence. And don't worry, we will practice together. Let's speak simple English today, step by step.
Okay, sir, I'm ready.
Good. Today we will use the simple present tense. We use it to talk about daily habits and routines. For example, I say, I wake up at 6 a.m. because I do this every day. Now, you say your time.
I wake up at 7.
Very good. Say it again, but slowly.
I wake up at 7.
Perfect. See, you speak clearly. Now tell me, after you wake up, what do you do?
I I brush my teeth.
Good. Say the full sentence.
I brush my teeth.
Nice. Now say both sentences together.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
Excellent. You're learning fast. After brushing, what do you do?
I wash my face. I take a shower.
Very good. Combine it.
I wash my face and take a shower.
Great job. Always speak slowly and clearly. Don't be scared. Tell me, after your shower, what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Yes. And what do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk.
Perfect. You're using simple present tense correctly. After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to school.
Good. Say it like this. I go to school at 8.
I go to school at 8.
Very good. And what do you do at school?
I study English. I write. I read. I talk to my friends.
Excellent. Let's try a small paragraph. Listen first. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8. I study English. I talk to my friends. Now, you say it.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8. I study English. I talk to my friends.
Very nice. You spoke everything clearly. See? You can speak English. You only need practice.
But, sir, sometimes I forget words.
That's okay. Use simple words. If you forget one word, don't stop. Use another easy word. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Good. Now, tell me, what do you do in the afternoon?
I come home. I eat lunch.
Good. Say, I come home at 1. I eat lunch with my family.
I come home at 1. I eat lunch with my family.
Very nice. And after lunch?
I rest. I watch TV.
Great. Say it more clearly.
I take a rest. I watch TV.
Perfect. What about the evening?
I do my homework. I help my mother.
Very nice. You're using simple present tense perfectly.
Thank you, sir. I feel happy now.
Good. Remember, practice every day. Speak English at home. You can even talk to yourself in the mirror. Say things like, I wake up, I eat, I go to school.
Sir, sometimes when I want to speak, my mind stops. I forget everything.
That happens to everyone. You can write your sentences first, then read them aloud. When you read, listen to your voice. Repeat the same sentences every day. Slowly, slowly, they will stay in your mind.
I will try.
Good. Watch simple English videos. Listen and repeat. Don't worry if people laugh. One day, they will stop laughing and start asking you how you learned so well.
Sir, your words make me feel strong.
Good. That's my job, and I'm proud of you. You are brave. Now, say your daily routine again from morning to night.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8. I study English and science. I play with my friends. I come home at 1. I eat lunch. I take a rest. I do homework. I help my mother. I watch TV. I sleep at 10.
Wonderful. Keep practicing this every day, and your English will become strong.
I will practice, sir. I will not be afraid anymore.
That's the spirit. English is not about being perfect, it is about being brave.
Thank you, sir. When you explain, everything feels easy.
Good. You can do it. Let's practice again. I speak English every day. I practice every day. I learn every day.
I speak English every day. I practice every day. I learn every day.
Perfect.
Sir, yesterday I practiced in front of the mirror. But when I spoke with friends, I made mistakes. They didn't laugh, but I felt shy.
That's progress. You practiced. That's the best thing. Mistakes are part of learning. Tell me, what did you practice?
I practiced my daily routine, but sometimes I forget verbs.
That's normal. Today we'll practice verbs in simple present tense. We use the first form of the verb with I, you, we, they. But with he, she, it, we add s or es. I go, she goes. I eat, he eats. I study, she studies. Let's practice.
I eat breakfast.
Good. Now change it to she.
She eats breakfast.
Nice.
I play football.
Now say he.
He plays football.
Excellent.
They study English.
Now she.
She studies English.
Perfect. Now let's use both versions.
I get up at 7.
She gets up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
She brushes her teeth.
Excellent.
Good. Repeating makes your brain strong. Now, tell me, what do you do in the morning before school?
I help my mother. Sometimes I make tea.
Good. And what does your father do in the morning?
He reads the newspaper. He drinks tea.
Excellent. Now, let's practice questions. Does he read the newspaper? Yes, he does. Try it.
Does he read the newspaper? Yes, he does.
Perfect. Now, I will ask you some questions. What time do you get up?
I get up at 7.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
When do you go to school?
I go at 8.
When do you come home?
I come home at 1.
What do you do in the evening?
I do my homework. I help my mother. I watch TV.
Excellent. That's a full conversation. You can talk to anyone using these sentences.
Yes, sir. Now I can talk with friends too.
Exactly. Ask them things like, what time do you get up? What do you eat for breakfast?
I will try that.
Good. Now tell me about your family.
My father works in an office. My mother cooks food. My brother studies in school.
Very good. What time does your father go to work?
He goes at 9.
And what time does he come home?
He comes at 6.
What does your mother do in the afternoon?
She cooks lunch and cleans the house.
Excellent. Now, let's practice likes and dislikes.
I like chocolate. I don't like waking up early. She likes music. He doesn't like noise.
Perfect. Now let's talk about yesterday.
Sir, yesterday I tried speaking English again. My friends laughed a little, but this time I didn't feel too bad. I remembered your words and I just smiled. But I want people to listen.